how to change the camera time interval for the timer multi-photo options on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button. Then tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, we then scroll down and tap on timer multi-photo options. Then we go to the interval between timers, and here we can change the time. Here you can set it between 1 second, 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds, 3 seconds. And that's it. Select one of the options. Now if I set it to 1 second, and if I go back here, if we use the camera option, the timer options, I'll just switch the camera and we set the timer to 2 here, and then we tap on the shutter button, and you can see between the waiting time or the interval time, it will take 1 second of the interval time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.